This is a chiller. The purpose of a chiller is to produce chilled water. We're basically providing water, usually about 45 degrees, into our building. The chilled water is coming from the evaporator. Now, I know that this is my evaporator because it has insulation on the outside of it. So the evaporator is essentially a metal container where we have refrigerant that's going to be boiling usually about 35 degrees. And the temperature of the water going in there is going to be about 55 or 45. So whenever we're dealing with chilled water, we have the risk of condensation. Condensation is when you have essentially drops of water being condensed from the air forming on the metal piping. These are our chilled water lines. The purpose of the chilled water lines is to carry the chilled water to and from the building. So you notice we have a covering on our chilled water lines to prevent condensation. If we did not have these covers, we would have, when the machine is running, we would have condensation forming and we'd have water all over the place. So whenever we walk into a machinery room and we're trying to start identifying the components of our system, the first thing that we want to do is look out for insulation. If we have insulation, that means that it is probably going to be our evaporator. If we have insulation on our piping, then it's probably our chilled water lines.